Welcome to Anam Satisfying Art YouTube channel. Today we are present with a new art. Let's start. Things you need: square paper. Fold the paper as shown in the video. Like this. Like and share. Make it this way as shown in the video. Fold like this. Like this. Follow us on Instagram. Fold the paper like this. Like this. Thread इस तरह से ग्लू लगाएं. It's ready. If you like the video, share, comments and subscribe the channel as well as press the bell icon so that the next video notification can reach you.